Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, Angayatul Prae, Nagnitu, Adsini, Honorable Speaker, Kwa Mola Skinga, Adsini languages are for promote Kanaskamu. Garo and Asi language was to support Kanaskamu. Adsini debate Kanga, Garo or Asi language for Jakkalnok, Adsini Memberanga, for So we should allow our members to speak in Garo and in Khasi, especially during the debates like the governor's debate, the governor's address, or the budget, or even resolutions and motions. At least we can make a start somewhere. And therefore, sir, I think these are steps. It's a process. It's not something that we can immediately say that it will be done tomorrow. But I think every effort being made by each and every one of us at every level will be a message to the government of India that we are very firm in our demand so that Khasi and Garo language can be included in the 8th schedule. And I think each one of us should do whatever we can to promote that. I would request our different organizations also, the different societies that have been working tirelessly, that they should also give representations to the central government so that this long pending demand and a very fair demand should be accepted by the government of India.